welcome back to Denelli's Chic Handmade. And today I'm going to change it up a little bit, and I'm not going to be working on an Addy pattern. I'm going to be working on a crochet pattern on how to make a face mask holder. Now these are really great. They're great for adults, they're great for children, and I'll show you real quick how this works. And this saves your ears. It also allows you to not have to worry about having your face mask in your hand. You can just kind of let it droop, as you can see. You can take it off, slip it on and over. I've had a lot of compliments on these. I'm told that these work great for children's masks. Sometimes when you order a child's mask, it doesn't fit quite right, it might be a little bit too big. So this actually helps you to cinch it up. So what the tools you're gonna need to get started is you'll need some cotton yarn, just a little bit, a button that'll match it, or you could use a plain button, a size 4mm or G crochet hook, a needle and a thread, and a pair of scissors. I'll be right back and we'll get started. So the crochet cotton I'm using is called the Crafter's Secret. It's from Hobby Lobby. The color is called Fondant Fun 2, and as you can see, it's a really neat color. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a slip knot. And as you can see, here's your slip knot. Just pick it up and just cinches it up here. I'm gonna go ahead and do chain 50. So if anyone who's not familiar with chaining, you just take your yarn, bring it over your hook, push it through, do it again. That'll be 3, again, 4, again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm gonna keep going to 50, and you can speed up the video to meet me at the end. Now that I've chained 50, we're gonna go ahead and do the double crochets. And in the 1, 2, 3, and the 4th chain from hook, I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into that 4th chain, bring through a loop, bring through 2 loops, then another 2. That's a double crochet. I'm gonna yarn over in the next loop, go ahead and bring through 2 loops and then 2 loops again, yarn over, put my hook under the chain, do 2 and 2, yarn over and do it again, 2 and 2, and as you can see, the double crochets are starting to come up. I'm going to continue on this way until I have 20 double crochets, and I will meet you when I get to the 20th double crochet for the next steps. I'm now on the final double crochet, and just to make sure, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I have 20 double crochets. And now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to skip 1 and do 2 double crochets. And what this is doing is this is going to make room for the buttonholes, because this mask holder is adjustable, so you can, that's why it fits adults and children. So again, I'm going to chain 1, I'm going to skip 1, and I'm going to do 2 double crochets. Chain 1, skip 1, and 2 double crochets. Chain 1, skip 1, 2 double crochets. And I'm going to continue this way until I get to the end, and I'll meet you there. Now I'm at my last 3 chains. So I'm going to chain 1, skip 1, and do 2 double crochets. I'm going to cut my yarn, slip my yarn through here so it doesn't unravel, and then just tie it. So I'm going to tie once, and then I'm going to do a surgeon's knot, which is 1 and another loop, nice and tight. I'm going to trim it, and there you have it, and you have several holes for the buttons, or button, so that it can be adjustable. Now I'm going to add my button to the one end. And I like these little wooden buttons. I get them on Amazon. They're, you can get, I'll put a link below for where I get them. They're really cute. They come in all variety of colors. You don't know what you're gonna get, but they're always really cute and you get a lot of different options. Or you can just use a plain button. You don't have to use this type. I think the cute buttons make the item pop, but again, you could use a plain button. And just sew the button in. And there you have it. It's an adjustable face mask holder. Again, it's got several holes in it, so you can put it wherever you need it. This is great for kids and adults. It also helps so that your mask doesn't, you can like let it hang down on your neck. And then when you need your mask, just slip it over. And that's it for this week's video. And thank you very much for joining. Please like and subscribe my videos. And if you have any ideas or comments, please go ahead and reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help. Or give me any ideas for some future videos you'd be interested in seeing. Thank you so much.